National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:30 a.m. At 6:27 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Whitewater to near Sharon, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Antioch, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Sturtevant, Union Grove, East Troy, Paddock Lake, Williams Bay, Camp Lake, Wind Lake, Winthrop Harbor, Twin Lakes, Rochester, and Raymond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately these storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special warning for municipal waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, municipal waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan Shore waters, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8:30 a.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8:30 a.m. Radar indicated. Impact. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly high waves. Locations impacted include Harris, Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, Joliet, moving east at 59, Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Radar Harbor, and Hamlet Marina. Impact. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly high waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hamlet Marina.